Okay guys, so it's the next day and let's put these fenders back on. Yeah, so I'm pretty happy with the results, so let's just assemble it back together. Okay, we're back in business. Let's turn it around and put it on a lift and assemble the bottom portion, fender liners and inner splash guards, all these bottom plastics, and then we're gonna assemble front area. We're gonna put a tray in and we're gonna be good to go. Okay guys, so underside is completely assembled, bumper is completely assembled. Let's drop it down and we're gonna install front, the pan, and after the pan is installed, then I'm gonna finish the hood alignment and we're gonna be pretty much ready for buffing. All right, let's get to it. Okay, so we are done in here. There are a couple of plastic covers, like hinge covers, that I need to be installed on each hinge. I'm gonna leave it for the very last. Right now I'm gonna adjust the hood because now we have this seal, we have something for these mounts to be pushed against, and that's going to be it as far as this assembly. So the next step, after I adjust a little bit more hood, we're gonna polish, but that's gonna be in another video. So stick around. If you enjoy my videos, please make sure you subscribe, make sure you hit that bell button so you don't miss any future videos, and I will see you in the next one. Stay safe.